finally done. Almost.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have you heard from your brother?
No, not since he reached here.
Okay. Okay.
But don't worry, you'll be fine. He's a big boy.
I know. I know he's capable of taking good care of himself. But sometimes, you know, you must not be the one making the mistakes for something to go wrong.
Look, we can't control everything that happens to us.
That's true.
At least we can live our lives.
You're a big girl now, eh? Dela.
Frimpomah.
I plan to call you tomorrow.
Then it's good I called now. I haven't had that laughter in too long.
But I loved the last time.
Oh, that 2x4 laughter with tears in your eyes. My friend, don't annoy me. We're having dinner tomorrow.
Who?
Who else? I told you we were going to catch up.
Mama Zebiso.
I told you the last time. So please, there is no but.
Okay, fine. What time? The usual.
Of course. Have a good night. And say hi to the kids for me.
Okay, we'll do. Good night, Dela. Why?
I just told you. You need to live a little, Mom.
You and Dela. Anyways, she says hi. Let me just cuddle with my baby girl.
Anyway, say hi to her the next time. It's been a while.
I will do so. Come here.
Oh. Wait. This boy.
Who is he with?
I don't know. Eating ice cream by himself. No, there must be some girl there.
I'm sure.
Who? Which one?
Let your brother be. Come here.
How come I don't know this girl?
Sorry about that.
Don't worry, it's fine. You were saying?
Oh, I was saying this is one of my favorite places to be.
Should the coffee shop be jealous?
Like I said, one of.
Well, so long as we're still number one, then it's fine.
Of course. You know, there are some things at the coffee shop you just wouldn't find anywhere else.
So, yeah. It's a nice place.
Or you were missing out.
I am?
But I don't blame you. It actually took me a while for me to come here anyways.
Is there a story behind it?
Yeah. Well, my family and I used to drive past this place when it first opened. But we never really tried it. Fast forward, my results came in. I did so good, my dad promised to treat me to anything I wanted that day.
And you chose Yah of all places.
Exactly. And ever since, my family and I, we've been coming here, enjoying ourselves. It's just sad that we haven't been here as much lately.
Why not?
Nearly about 2 years ago, my dad and my sister were in an accident. I lost my dad and my sister is paralyzed currently.
I'm so sorry. Please I shouldn't have brought this up.
No,
I'm
it's
so
fine.
sorry.
It's fine. It is. I actually wanted to come here Yeah, it brings out the emotions in me. I have nice memories when I come here. And I wanted to share them with you. Plus, I get to add a new memory tonight. Coffee shop.
Oh wow! It's 8:30 already.
Really? Why? Do you have somewhere else to be?
My exam starts soon.
I'm sure a lady as smart as you don't need to do too much studying to pass.
I wish. I have to study, but I can make time for you.
Oh, then I want you to stay longer. Anyways, do you have a story for me?
About?
Anything.
Story. Maybe you be the writer.
Doesn't mean I don't get to hear stories for myself.
Story. I have a story.
Listening.
But I'll save it for when we go on our next date.
And when is that?
Depends on you.
Oh, then I guess we won't be waiting for long. By the way, thank you for the muffins.
But you already thanked me for that.
I meant the muffins you gave Xavier to give to me yesterday.
Muffins? No, I didn't give Sylvia any muffins.
It wasn't from you.
No.
Who wants ice cream?
Look, you've already had yours. Look at that. This is mine. Okay, you can feed me. Feed your sister.
Okay. Open up. Oh, I'm just checking for poison. Okay. Open up.
This is good.
Look at you, ma.
Wow.
Is it fine?
It's great.
Really?
You look splendid.
Wow.
Thank you. Jacob, I won't be gone for long. If anything, just give me a call.
Ma, we can take care of ourselves.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
What did I tell you? Live life. Go, have some fun.
Thank you.
Go.
Don't stress your sister, please.
Love you.
I love you.
Love you, Jacob.
Love you, ma.
Bring it.
The mom look great.
She looked amazing. Just hope that she doesn't come back soon.
Oh, okay, so now you can feed yourself.
Dela. Hey, look at you.
Look at who?
I'm just admiring how great you look.
Thank you. Before we start,
Yes.
Awura and Jacob says hi.
It's been so long.
I know.
What are they up to?
So Awura mainly is recovering. She's more concentrated on that. And once in a while she picks up her psychology books and she studies.
Good. So is the university allowing her to defer the course?
Thankfully, they are quite sympathetic towards her situation.
I'm sure she'll be back soon.
We hope so too, because we are tired of her using us for her studies.
You mean guinea pigs?
I'm telling you. Excuse me. This sounds interesting. Excuse me. Okay, I want to try this. Hello. This sounds interesting, but can I have safe sex? Thank you. Mini.
Okay, I mean,
Oh.
Getting there. Mimo, if they follow all that safe sex.
Oh, it's just interesting. The name. Dela.
Okay. What about her Shakespeare?
Still writing.
Wow. Is he still working on that novel he told us
The
about?
Patriots.
Yes.
Practically every single day.
Wow. So, are you fully supportive of him becoming a writer now?
It's all he's ever wanted. And he's good at it, so.
What about his programming? He's really good at that too.
Yes, it's our prayer that he majors in that. But unfortunately, I was not able to pay for his fees the last admission, so we are hopeful.
Still?
Yeah.
So what is he planning to do then?
Okay, so the good thing is right now he's picked up some programming jobs from the people around, and I think it's a good start for now.
He's getting paid a little for that?
Yes. But I have not had the opportunity to speak to him after he graduated in June. One thing I realized is that writing was a good escape for him to deal with all the problems the family was facing. So I just think it's very unfair for me to try to get him to be interested in something else.
Okay, that's okay. Let's not focus on that, Yeah, we are here to catch up
fun.
and have real good fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
What did you say? Save what?
Sex. It tastes good too.
We don't even know who you are anymore.
What do you mean?
New hairstyle, new client, new money, new laptop, new girlfriend. Who are you?
New girlfriend.
Oh, sorry. I forgot there had to be an old one for this to be new.
First of all, I have you know, I've had one before now.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm.
What's her name?
It's not important. Secondly, what makes you say you have a girlfriend?
Who, who did you go out with last night to have ice cream?
A very good friend.
A very good friend. A girlfriend.
We are not romantically together.
So ask her so she can say yes or no. That goes on. I mean,
But what makes you think she'll say no?
what makes you think she say yes? Free your body, this boy.
I don't even know what to say to you anymore.
I left the writer speechless. I'm a genius.
I'm just not ready to dedicate myself to a relationship right now. I'll ask her when I'm ready.
So you're not now?
Not entirely. What?
It's okay. You can get off the hot seat.
Stop focusing on my love life and get ready to stretch.
I don't feel like it. I'm tired.
Look. What is it?
I felt something. I felt it.
You can feel it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you move it?
Let me try.
Emma!
It moved!
You moved it!
Oh my god! Let's come out.
Let's go, Mom.
No. She should come. She should see it for herself.
Okay.
I can't believe it.
Hey. Can you, let's try and move the left one. Can you feel it? Do you feel something? Do you feel something?
I can feel it.
You can feel it. Oh my god.
Coffee shop. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause side no be life. Sister, all the spink star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life.
I miss this.
And you were saying no.
You should understand why.
I do. I really do, but that doesn't mean that you don't deserve to enjoy yourself. When was the last time you had a moment to yourself? The last time you let yourself relax and stop worrying?
The last time was just before I became a widow.
Raising children doesn't mean that you should put a stop to your life.
Dela, the children's happiness is my happiness.
I know. The reverse is same for them. Do you think they are happy seeing you work exhaustedly daily?
Dela, I don't have any choice. There are so many problems I need to resolve. It's not easy. It's not.
You can't carry the weight of the world on your shoulders. You can't do it all alone. I know you. So I know you have not been seeing anyone since the accident.
Alex and I were together for almost 2 decades. The life that we built together is as long as the life that I have lived without him. Things are so bad that I haven't even grieved him properly. Thank you.
I understand. But I don't think Alex would be happy seeing you like this. Please.
I know he's going to be so disappointed if he should see me like this, so downtrodden and tired.
Exactly. That is why you need to put your life back together.
You're right.
Of course I'm right. You know I'm always right.
You're right. You're right.
By the way, when was the last time you saw or heard from Dadzie?
He calls and texts once in a while. I think 3 days ago he passed by the office. Why are you smiling like that?
Me. I'm not smiling. I think that I certainly is still in love with you.
Well, if he's interested in me, I am not interested in him.
Don't be interested in him. You can be interested in his money. Yes, the cash, the kudi, aga, monyo, money.
Dela.
It's okay. Think about it. He gets you, you get help, and to our financial problems, you both win.
Dela, I cannot do that.
Just because it's sleazy doesn't make it easy.
It is not my character, please.
Frimpomah, you know how life is. Sometimes you have to make some sacrifices to go up or to move on.
I refuse to use a man as good as Dadzie for his money. I can't.
Oh, so you mean you would have if he wasn't a good man?
Dela,
Okay, I will leave it.
Lord.
But still, think about it.
We're definitely going to this place.
And are you going to buy the petrol?
You'll be rich by then. I mean, what's your worry?
Yeah, you're making plans with my money.
As if you won't offer to pay for it. What are brothers for? Me too.
Show me the place again.
Look.
Hi, guys.
Welcome back, ma.
Mom,
Thank you.
welcome.
Is everything okay?
Everything is fine.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Why that laughter? What's going on?
Thing.
What? We can't be happy.
Not with that mischievous. What's going on?
Shall we tell her?
Tell me what.
Maybe let's show her.
Show me what. What's going on?
Patience, ma.
Can you move your left? Can you? Oh! We need to celebrate. Oh my! Oh. I know. You're getting better.
We're all getting better, Mom.
And it's just in time for her next appointment on Monday.
We need to celebrate this, please. Let me just get rid of my juice.
Oh, dear. I'm so happy.
I'm glad you're getting better.
Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much for your support. Is everything okay?
I can't think of a reason why it wouldn't be.
Let's go. Everybody one day will need somebody. Brother, if you lonely, reach out, cause side no be life. Sister, all that's pink star. Brother, make you no wonder. Make you drop the pressure and come to this side of life. You for smile as you go. Screw face, no go pay the bill you for no. This life, yeah. Happy connection at the coffee shop. One-to-one tensions at the coffee shop. Friendly connections at the coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know, you for know. Coffee shop. You for know, you gonna know.
Yo.
For know. Coffee shop.
It's time to step up now. Early morning like this when you wake up now. My brother, one thing you don't forget now. Enter the coffee shop and you connect now. Happily ever after. Now you see every man is a superstar. Wild dreams on your head and you the wonder. Find someone and together you run that.
Coffee shop.
Say bonjour, hello friend.